Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the slides on your Google Slide mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to hide the slide on your Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just open a template here. So long press it and you just want to edit the slide. Now I just want to hide the fourth slide. So just long press on the slide. You will see a pop-up on the top. Click on this three dot and you will see option called skip slide, which actually hide the slide. You can see the eye mark with the slash symbol. If you are running the slide, it will not show here. So example, I just also going to hide multiple slides. So long press on the slide, I just selected the 2 and also 5. Okay, no, we just can select 3 and click on the 3 dots and skip the slide. You can also do this for the multiple slide. Now I just going to play the slide. You will see 1, then it will be on the 5. There will be skip of 2, 3 and 4, which is hide and slide. So present on this device, and now it's loading. Actually loading here, you can't see the remaining slide because the slide has been hidden. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.